Hello, this is Garemore, and today I'm going to show you how you can rip CDs without a CD drive. First, you need your computer, and then you need a CD player, and then you want to plug in, get an aux cable. The first step, you want to plug in your CD player, power. If your CD player needs batteries, put some batteries in it. Plug in the aux into your computer, and then you want to plug in the aux out. Then you should get this message. You want to set it to line in. And then you also need this other app called Audacity. Then the next step, you want to put your CD in to the CD player. Down while I do that. You want to hit play on your CD player. Let it load. Then you're going to hit record on your media player or in your Audacity. See, now it's recording the audio. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to play the audio for you because of copyright restrictions, but you get the idea. You're going to wait until this is done. I'll see you when this is done. Now that the disc is done, you want to select the individual tracks, like so. Next you want to click File, Export, Export Selected Audio. I've already done a couple of tracks. You want to refer back to a CD case and type in the name of the track. Depending on how long the tracks are in the CD, this might take a while. Just confirming the end of the track here. And 007 as a will be used in iTunes later. Let's stop and do this one. Here I am editing the last track. Here I am exporting the last track on the disc. Done exporting everything.
file at the library. I'm going to pause while I do this. All that's left to do is check to make sure all your songs play. I did that off camera. And that's how you export CD into your computer if you do not have a CD drive. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and support me by buying from my eBay and Mercari stores. Also follow me on social media. Both links are in the description. Goodbye.